Hi everyone, my name is Parul. Welcome to my channel Parul English Lab. This video is a part of vocabulary series and today I'll talk about animal and their baby names. So please watch this video till the end because it's going to enhance your vocabulary a lot. And before going ahead, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel Parul English Lab and press the bell icon for future notifications. Now let's start our today's video. First is goat, and goat's baby is called a kid. Next is sheep. Sheep's baby is called a lamb. B at the end of the word is silent. B sound is silent. So it's going to be lamb, not lamb like thumb. So lamb. This is the correct pronunciation. Lamb. Next is horse. Horse baby is called a foal. Rabbit. Rabbit's baby is called bunny. Baby of hedgehog and pig is called a piglet. Baby of lion, tiger, cougar, leopard, panther, jaguar, panda, etc. is called cub. Baby of a cow, elephant, hippopotamus, camel, giraffe, moose, etc. is called a calf. Next is cat. Cat's baby is called a kitten. Wolf. Baby of a wolf is called a pup. Next is deer. Deer's baby is called fawn. Next is bear. Bear's baby is also called a cub. Fox. Baby of a fox is called a kit. Goose. Goose baby is called a gosling. Kangaroo. Kangaroo's baby is called a joy. Say it with me. Joy. Baby of a koala, baboon, monkey, etc. is called an infant. Toad. Toad's baby is called a tadpole. Mouse. Baby of a mouse is called pinky. Penguin. Penguin's baby is called a chick. Ape. Ape's baby is called a baby. Snake. Snake's baby is called a snakelet. Crocodile. Baby crocodile is called a hatchling. Eagle. Baby eagle is called an eaglet. Owl. Baby owl is known as an owlet. So these were some animals and their baby names with the correct pronunciation. Now please practice and learn all these baby names of animals and practice. If you have any doubts, you can always mention in the comment section. And please like and subscribe to my channel Parul English Lab. And don't forget to press the bell icon for future notifications. Thank you. Take care. Have a great day.